the city, it's so empty. It's so quiet, and there's all these cones and stuff going on because what they're doing is they're adding cycle lanes and walking lanes, which is a great idea. So honestly, I think this country is having good reactions to this pandemic. I am so happy I'm back in London in my little pony bag, in my cycling gear. It's windy as usual. All of it. It's been insane. Here we are. It's been insanity to be away for 4 months. I mean, that's a whole season. It's been really traumatic. I had an excellent experience at Mont Blanc. I missed good service so much. They're changing my nib for free because I had a problem with the nib, and then because all of the lockdown situation, I couldn't make any claims for 4 months. So they were nice enough to, after the wait, you know. And now I'm going to try to service my watch. We are in London. I just went to a hairdresser. My hair looks amazing. And I'm in Sloane Street, which I missed. The new rose bush, it has roses and they're beautiful. Oh my god, they're so beautiful.
This is how we do this.